what just arrived, guys. I wonder what's in the big brown box.
And it's so big that I can sit on it and it doesn't collapse.
Right, well, we need to open this up.
Open it!
Because
What is it?
it is something really exciting. What do you think it is, Noah? Do you think Noah knows what it is? Do you know what it is? He's too busy in his jumperoo. He doesn't care. We need to look what's in this box because it's something really exciting. Should we push it down?
Yeah.
Don't get squashed.
Ireland, you feet.
Jump away. Woo!
Yeah. Let's open it.
Let's open it.
What's it?
What is that?
Maybe 4 2.
Looks like some kind of water tube.
Might need that. Oh, what's
Oh,
this?
more boxes in a box.
It's a whole box of puppies.
A box of puppies? No, it's not a box of puppies.
Okay, we're gonna open this box first.
Open it.
The pump.
It's a pump, which means it's something that blows up.
It's a bouncy castle.
Bouncy castle.
I think bounce.
Should we blow it up and see what it is?
Yes! Yeah, just let go. Try and pull it out. It's
Too heavy.
Too heavy. I can't get it out.
Need Daddy's help.
Daddy! Daddy! What is it? No, Olivia, you do There's a rock climbing there. There's a rock climbing wall. And hold it.
What do you think it is, Isla?
I don't really know. It's something.
Is it something to climb on?
Something to climb on. Oh! Go your hands and knees like.
What do you think, Ava? Any ideas?
I think it's a climbing wall.
Like a climbing wall?
Because I can see the rock climbing.
All right. But you'll leave half, right?
Yeah.
Ava, are you supposed to do this with us?
Yeah, help him. It's quite heavy.
It's heavier than you think.
Teamwork.
Makes the dream work.
Get out.
So what is it? What is it? What is it?
It's a slide!
I think it's a slide.
Yeah, it must be. Because look, maybe it blows up to be a rock wall, and then these two lines here is blow up to be slides.
Ah, so you think you climb up the back and then you slide down?
Yeah.
But I'll let you into a secret because I know what it is. It is. It's a big slide. It's a big slide.
Yes! It's like a bouncy castle because
It's a bit bouncy because it's inflatable.
just.
But you can also have water going down it, so it's like you can either have it as a dry slide or like a water slide.
Are we going to have water or...
I think today we'll just try it as it is.
Okay.
But we're definitely going to get some water going down it when the weather
maybe a
warms up
couple
a bit.
days
I mean, it's not cold today. Did the bee scare you?
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll get it blown up and let you guys have a go.
Yay!
Are you ready?
Yeah! Go!
There it goes.
Blown up quick!
Excited?
It's so big! I want to go in it now! I'm gonna go in it with Isla.
See how high it is at the back.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Look.
Have
How
you
cool
done it
is
yet?
that? How cool is it? How cool is it, Ava?
It's really good.
Oh! Strong!
On a hot day when we can get some water on it, it'll be so cool.
Yeah! Will.
So there we go, guys. You're going to try it out?
Yeah! Yay!
fun?
Oh my gosh, it tastes fun! That was amazing. I love it! I'm twirling!
So how much fun was that, guys?
Really good!
Do you love the new slide?
Yes!
It's awesome. We're gonna have so much fun on that this summer.
We came in because it started to rain.
It started to pour down raining and it's like...
You can see from up there.
So guys, if you've got sunshine where you are, please send some to Fun Family 3 because we need some sun so we can play on the new water slide because it is awesome.
Yeah, I want to go in the wall with the water and see
Yeah,
what
we
it's
need to try it out with the water. We only tried it out today when it was dry because we knew the rain was coming, so...
Yes. Yeah.
And I'm sorry if you can barely hear me, it's because I've lost my voice again.
Yeah.
I'm always losing my voice, guys.
Why?
Because I've got a cold and I've lost my voice again. So guys, we have got 5 shout-outs coming up now.
Yeah.
It is for Melody and Amelia.
Hi, Melody and Amelia. Big thumbs up.
Yeah, Melody and Amelia, thank you so much for watching us. Big thumbs up to you guys.
Yeah.
So we have a birthday shout-out for Connie, who was 7 on Friday.
Hi, Connie.
Gonna do a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Connie. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Woo!
So Connie, we hope you had a great birthday. You're the same age as Isla.
7 years old.
Yeah, big thumbs up to you, Connie. Thank you so much for watching our channel.
Yeah.
Next shout out is for Angel Halawi.
Hi, Angel Halawi.
Thank you so much for watching us. Big thumbs up to you, Angel. Next shout out is for Amelia. She is going to be 4 next Sunday.
Hi, Amelia.
And she would like a hatchy birthday.
A hatchy birthday.
A hatchy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amelia. Happy birthday to you. Hatchy, yay! Hatchy, woo! Hatchy, yay!
Amelia, we hope you have a great 4th birthday next Sunday.
It's a big number, that.
Yeah, it's a big number, and she loves Isla. Her favourite colour is purple, like Isla.
Purple.
And she said she's our #1 fanatic, so that's amazing. That's awesome. Thank you so much for watching us, Amelia.
Woo!
Okay, another shout out is for Tilly.
Hi, Tilly.
She is from Wigan, so that's not far away from us. And she asked to watch us every day. She's just 3 years old. So thank you so much, Tilly, for watching our channel.
3 years old.
So big thumbs up to Tilly. Thank you so much for watching us.
Yes.
You ready to pick a letter out of the fandom, guys?
Yeah! And please do not be.
Do it.
Yeah, please do not be disappointed if your name did not get picked out this week.
Yeah, we can. There's always next week.
There's always next
You
week.
can let us know on Instagram if you would like a shout out.
Yeah.
So just message us on there and
Message
we
us.
can do that for you. But you can also send your fan mail in to us.
Yes. So maybe next week is your chance.
So let's pick a letter out of the fandom.
Yes.
Did you hear me then? I lost my voice. My voice keeps going really high. Okay, Olivia got this letter to Ava Isla. To Ava Isla and Olivia, I love your videos. My favourite colour is purple. My favourite is Isla, but I like Ava and Olivia. And she wants to come and play with us, and she lives in Chester. And this is from Maisie. So she's drawn a picture of you guys too. That is awesome. Thank you so much, Maisie, for sending that in to us. I love this little heart at the bottom too, and I love all these pictures. Isla, what have you got? We've got a letter from Australia. It says, Dear Ava, Isla and Olivia, I love you to the end of the world and back. Please give me a shout out and please write a letter back. And this is from Jade. Now Jade Charlesworth is 5 and she lives in Adelaide, Australia. And it says, Jade and her sister Aria adore you all and we watch every single day. Thank you. Oh, that's wonderful. And you know what? We have friends that live... Oh, who's this?
Pearl.
It's Pearl.
Pearl wants to join
She's
in.
going to sit on the letter. Pearl, what are you doing?
Pearl, you
We
want to
have
sit on
friends
paper.
that live in Adelaide, Australia, but we've never been there, have we?
Nope.
So maybe one day we'll come visit Adelaide.
Yes. We've got
And they've done some
Ava.
lovely pictures.
this is Ava,
Ava,
Isla,
Isla.
Olivia.
Oh, thank you so much, Jade, for sending these in to us. We
Yeah.
love them. Big thumbs up to Jade.
Woo!
And her sister Aria. Also, I forgot to do a big thumbs up for Maisie for sending that first letter in. Okay, Ava's over here with Pearl. Let's see what letter you've got, Ava.
Right, I've got 2 notes. Let's read this one first. To Ava and Olivia, I like your YouTube channel. I would love a shout out. My name is Esme. I live in the UK too. I'm going to be a big sister on April 13th. I'm so excited. I love to colour and write. My favourite toy is LOL dolls and Barbies.
Wow, so that is for Esme, and she's age 5, and she's going to be a big sister. That's so cool. So, are we going to give a big thumbs up to Esme for watching our channel?
Hey Esme!
Thank you so much for watching us and sending in that mail to us.
Oh,
Oh, you got a picture too?
don't leave that behind.
That is cool. And look, she's done a picture of her family in the new edition at the end. Oh, she's also done a picture of you guys with us and Pearl. So thank you so much for sending that in to us.
Yes.
That's awesome. Okay, Olivia, you've got one. So this one, you probably should have opened this one. It says to Isla.
Oh.
I like you. Oh, that's so cute. And this is from Delilah, and she's age 4. I think that's some fan mail for you, Isla.
Yep, I'll keep that.
You're gonna keep that one. Thank you so much for sending that in to us,
I
Delilah.
have one.
Delilah, give Delilah a big thumbs up. Okay, Isla, what have you got?
Okay. Letter.
So Isla, it says, my name is Kate, I'm 5, and my favourite one is Isla again. You open this, Isla.
Yeah.
Because my favourite colour is purple, and she likes Jojo Siwa.
Yeah.
And she watches a lot of our videos, so please give me a shout out. So big shout out to Kate.
Hi, Kate.
Thank you so much for watching our channel. Big thumbs up to Kate. Okay, Ava, what have you got for us?
On this picture here, I got this, but you didn't see it a minute ago because I lost it.
What have you got? They made us.
This.
Oh wow, they've made us a keychain.
So this on there.
And it's got
It says Love Esme.
So Esme sent us in this keychain too. Thank you so much,
And it's got
Esme.
Maria's my favourite character.
Yeah, from the Aristocats.
And this.
You're gonna read it out, Ava?
Yes. To Ava and Olivia, my name is Scarlett. Oh yeah, and I am 6 years old. And well done for 1 million subscribers. Can you give me a shout out?
And I love
the hide and seek with LOL dolls, and I love Noah.
Oh, thank you so much. We love the YouTube play button she's done too. And look, it's all glittery. That's so awesome. So big shout out to Scarlett. Thank you so much.
Hi, Scarlett.
Thank you, and big thumbs up to you. So thank you guys for sending in your mail. We hope you enjoyed the new water slide video.
Yes.
Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up.
Yes.
And subscribe to our channel, Fun Family 3 with Ava, Isla and Olivia.
Olivia.
And hopefully by the next video, I should have my voice back.
Yeah.
Because it's starting to go again.
Yes.
But we hope you enjoyed it, guys, and we'll see you next time.
Bye. Fun Family 3. Signing out.
Press the screen below for more fun videos from Fun Family 3. And why don't you subscribe? And you can be a #funatic. Thanks for watching.